Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I like to use Google Keep, Google's free note-taking tool which integrates directly with our favorite Google apps. So yes, there are tons of different note-taking and productivity solutions that'll help us better organize our business and busy personal lives. For today, I'll be talking about Google's Google Keep. This is its built-in note-taking and productivity application, which is directly integrated with all the different Google applications in the Google ecosystem. Okay, so to start things off for this video, to go to Google Keep, we're going to obviously go to google.com, but we're going to go to keep.google.com to go directly to the Google Keep website. Now, I did mention that Google Keep is an integrated list and note-taking application for Google users. The best thing that I love about Google Keep is that it seamlessly utilizes this application directly inside our other favorite Google apps. For example, I could be on my Google Mail account and activate Google Keep to do some note-taking instantaneously. So, we're going to first dive into the Google Keep web interface. So firstly, as you can see, you can choose a theme for your Google account. The theme of your Google Keep is based on your personal preference, so simply choose one that you like. Then we can quickly create our first note by navigating up to take a note. And of course, this note could be literally about anything, whether it's a personal or business related note. And after doing that, as you can see, we've made a quick note just like that. From here, we can also add a title. And as you can see here, we can further customize this note by going down here. Now, if we navigate over to the Remind Me and click on it, I can choose a reminder for a note like this. And then if we go across, what we can do is also add collaborators to this specific note. Just like Google Docs or Google Sheets, you can easily collaborate with your Google Keep notes in real time. So all you need to do is click here and then add the person or email you want to share this note with. Alright, now that that's all done, let's show you guys some of these background options. Here I can add a background option if I like for this specific note. And there are a ton of different colors and themes that we have available to choose from. I'm going to choose this one and then remove the theme down here. And I'll be happy to choose this color for this note. And also, if you look here, we can also add an image if we like. I'm just going to add a logo like this one. And as you can see, by clicking on this button, we've now added an image and attached one to our note. Now, if you go up to this post, we have the option to archive. And then also, if you click the three dots and click on More, you can choose to delete the note or add a label. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to add a label to this note. I'm going to call the note this and all other associated notes with my website. Then I'm going to add this label. Then I can go down and click on Create. And as you can see, we now have a label for this note which you can use for other Google Keep notes. Now, if I click once more and we navigate down, we can even add a drawing, make a copy, show checkboxes, and even copy this note to Google Docs. From here, you can also choose to undo and redo your changes. As you can see, there's a ton of different things that you can do with a simple note on Google Keep. But for now, I'm pretty happy with a sample note that we've made now. We can close this menu, and as you can see, we have our first note saved. Then, let's go ahead and add another note. We can navigate up here, add a new list, or a new note with a drawing, or a new note with an image. If I click on New Note with a drawing, this is where I can simply create written notes. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this for now. And if you go up here, we have other formatting options. We can change the size of the pen or pencil that we're using, and even clear the image of the drawing that we're doing. We can also simply just leave it as is, and let's navigate back for now. We can come back here and then add a title, and even add a text note down here. And yet again, we have all the different options that we already just went over. We're going to change the background again. I'm going to choose this color and then click on Close. So as you can see, we now have two notes. If I navigate up here, I can also add another note, but this time with an image, or another one with a drawing, which we just did. Or we can even create a brand new list. You can also turn any of your notes into a list. If I click over here, add a title, go down here and then add my note, then choose the three dots and then click on Show Checkbox. That turns a lot of these notes into a list that we can add checkboxes to. Then we can go ahead and add other items, and there you go, a list is now made. You can also change the color of this list or note, and even set a reminder. I'm just gonna choose a date and time like so, and you can even choose to pin all of these notes if you wish. So let's go ahead and click a pin on this note, and then click on Close. Now that we're back here on the Notes UI, we can even change the layout of all the notes if I wish. Then on the left-hand side, I can see my reminders, view all my notes by label, and even edit all the labels that I've already made. From here, we can also view my archives and then even see our most recently deleted notes. So let's try using Google Keep with other Google applications. Let's try using it, for example, with Google Drive. So go ahead and navigate to your personal Google Drive. And on the right-hand side, once we're there, you'll notice this button that says Get Add-ons. If you cannot see the Keep icon here, go ahead, click down here, simply choose Search, and then let's look for the Keep application. So for the purposes of this video, we already have the Keep application added as an add-on on our Google Drive. If I click right here, it's gonna automatically generate some notes and reminders on the right-hand side. I can also choose to navigate here and search for specific notes if I have way too many to go through. As you can see, using this Keep add-on with your other Google applications is very seamless and lets us interact with all of our notes right here in real time. So for example, let's try going over to a Google Doc. And within this Google Doc, all I need to do is to expand down and expand the side panel. And as you can see, all the notes associated with my Google Keep account, and of course my Google account itself, will be shown here on the right-hand side. As you can see, I can locate my notes here, my Google Keep here, and as you can see, it's really easy to access all of our notes through all the different Google applications. And as you can see, it's very clear to see why I personally love the Google Keep interface for the Google ecosystem. It makes it so much easier if I wish to add some notes when I'm doing anything on Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, and even Google Mail. And there we have it. That's the essential guide to getting started with Google Keep, specifically on your PC device. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this tutorial or this showcase, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, if you've learned something new or want to see more content like this one, feel free to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. We really hope that this video helped you guys out, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one. Take care for now.